Hi, friends, it's serious today, and if you know someone who smokes, please send this video to him or her, because there's still time if you save your friend or friend. Today we are going to learn how follow-on can end our lives. But first, leave your like there in this video and take the opportunity to subscribe to this channel that shows you how to live better. Now let's go to the video. 7 harms of cigarettes to our health. Did you know that smoking causes more than 8 million deaths a year worldwide? Even more impressive is the fact that a significant part of this statistic, over 1 million people, are non-smokers, people who have only been exposed to the harmful substances in tobacco. A lot of people, don't you agree? How about knowing 7 of the biggest harms of cigarettes to health? Watch the video to stay alert to the dangers of tobacco. Increases the risk of cancer. There is no way to escape. Those who smoke are more likely to develop cancer. Did you know that 90% of lung cancer cases, for example, are caused by tobacco? And of course, the more cigarettes you consume each day, the greater the risk of developing the disease. What people need to know is that, despite being an extremely aggressive disease and causing many deaths, the problem is preventable precisely because it is closely associated with smoking. It is worth mentioning that the thousands of toxic substances contained in cigarettes do not only affect the lungs. In fact, smokers are also more at risk for other types of cancer. It's bad for those around. Those who live with smokers at home, at work, or in other collective environments can also develop illnesses due to exposure to cigarette smoke. In fact, believe it or not, the smoke released with tobacco has, on average, a content of 3 times greater nicotine and carbon monoxide, in addition to up to 50 times more carcinogens than the smoke that the smoker inhales. People who are exposed to this smoke for a short period may already have allergies, with cough, rhinitis, asthma, and conjunctivitis, for example. Meanwhile, those who are exposed to smoke for long periods are more likely to develop more serious pathologies, such as lung cancer, respiratory diseases, and even heart problems, such as a heart attack. The risk is even greater for children and pregnant women. Reduces life expectancy. The health damage caused by cigarettes is so serious that they even reduce the life expectancy of those who smoke. Many people don't realize it, but smokers lose 10 years of life compared to people who don't smoke. The good news is that those who quit smoking can at least partially reverse this situation. Causes premature aging. People who smoke also look more aged, as another of the numerous negative consequences of smoking comes in the form of dermatological problems, such as the appearance of wrinkles, dryness, and yellowing of the skin, in addition to hair loss. All of this happens because the toxic substances in cigarettes cause reduced blood circulation in the skin, a process called vasoconstriction. As a result, there is a reduction in collagen and elastin, reducing the fibers that guarantee the skin's firmness. It harms oral health. Another harm caused by cigarettes involves oral health, causing problems with teeth and gums. In addition to a yellower smile, constant bad breath, and taste problems, smokers are more likely to have infections in the gums and supporting structures of the teeth. When not treated properly, these cases can lead to tooth loss. This happens because smoking compromises the immune system, making it difficult to fight the bacteria that cause these diseases. Not to mention that smoking also hinders the good healing of the gums, interfering with the results of oral health treatments. Brings problems in pregnancy. A pregnant woman who smokes can put the health and even the life of the baby at risk, as the harmful substances in tobacco compromise the arrival of oxygen and nutrients to the fetus. Thus, smoking during pregnancy can cause premature births and low birth weight, or even the sudden death syndrome, which occurs shortly after the baby is born. Now you know these great reasons to give up smoking or to stay away from people who smoke, right? As you've seen, the health effects of cigarettes are numerous, including serious illnesses such as cancer, respiratory and heart problems. Leave your likes in this video to support us and always bring new content about healthy living. See you in the next video.